Hello, this is your weekly overview for AP Environmental Science, Term 2, Week 2. Hopefully you guys are noticing here that we're moving on to a new unit. We are wrapping up Unit 3 and moving on to Unit 4. So our topic is Earth Systems and Resources. We're going to be talking about a little bit more about the structure of the Earth and how it functions as a system. One important thing for you guys to notice is that because we are now on a 2-week online dismissal, I have decided that for your class, I'm going to be doing live Google Meets during your regularly scheduled time. So on Tuesday, November 3rd at 11:15, when we normally have class, you guys are going to click on this link to join our live Google meeting. I've decided to do this for a couple of reasons. First of all, because this is a small class, we only have 6 students enrolled. And so I thought it would be easy for everyone to get on and to discuss our topics for this week. And also because this is a college level course. And so I wanted to provide that extra layer of support because you guys will have a lot of assignments due this week. So I wanted to make sure that you can get your questions answered and meet with me face to face so you can make sure that you understand what it is you're expected to do this week. So during those live Google Meets, we'll be talking about topic 4.1, plate tectonics. And just as we always do, I will walk you through the Nearpod presentation. So you guys will log in the student pace mode. I will be working from the preview mode. But you guys can follow along and we will submit our answers to these Nearpod questions. And then once you're finished with this topic of 4.1 plate tectonics, the second thing we're going to do on Tuesday is we're going to look at this Unit 3 focus sheet. Rather than making a study guide, what I've done is I have uploaded some instructions for creating your own focus sheet. So there are going to be different things that you'll have to do for the different topics in Unit 3. I've also created this YouTube video that we will watch as a class that shows a model of one that I made, a focus sheet that I made as an example for you. This is to help you study and prepare and review the topics that we learned in Unit 3, because by Friday, you guys will have the Unit 3 progress check, the Unit 3 exam. So this will be an assignment that's worth 20 points. In the past, your study guides were not graded, but this one will be graded and it will be scored. So make sure that you guys create those focus sheets either on 2 pieces of paper or on a large poster board. Doesn't matter the format, you just need to make sure that you follow all the requirements and that it's hand-drawn and not using a computer. Okay, so we'll talk more about that on Tuesday. Let's go back and look at the rest of this week. So that's the assignment for Tuesday, November 3rd. On Thursday, November 5th, again, we're going to be meeting via Google Meet. So it'll be a live in-person meeting. But these are the 2 topics that we're going to be discussing at that time. 4.2, soil formation and erosion. Again, you guys will follow along in the self-paced Nearpod presentation. And our second topic will be 4.3, soil composition and properties. So once you guys have completed the soil composition and properties Nearpod, the final thing you guys are going to be working on is the Mystery Soils Lab. So if we go to our homepage, this is what the Mystery Soils Lab will look like. You'll download the lab sheet. There's an optional slideshow with larger images that are easier to see, and then you'll watch these videos and summarize these videos to see the different tests that are performed on our different soil samples and also to see the results of those various tests. Once you guys gather up the results and answer the questions, you're going to submit your finished Google Doc through Canvas. So this will be a graded lab worth 30 points on your grade. So just to review, the 3 things that will be due by Friday, November 6th are your Unit 3 focus sheet. Remember, that's the study guide you're creating for yourself to prepare for the Unit 3 exam. You'll have to log on to the lockdown browser to take the Unit 3 exam, the Unit 3 progress check. And then the last thing is the Mystery Soils Lab. You'll need to watch the videos and summarize the results for this Mystery Soils Lab that goes along with topic 4.2 and 4.3. As always, if you guys have questions, please send me an email or arrange a time for an additional Google Meet if you aren't able to get your questions answered during our live Google Meets for our classroom. And I will see you guys online next week. Have a great day.